If you're dealing with prostate issues such as prostatitis and have questions about the impact of masturbation, this video is essential for you. Many men are unaware that this practice can play an important role in prostate health, but there are fundamental aspects that deserve attention, especially for those already experiencing discomfort or inflammation in the area. Self-stimulation, when done in a healthy and balanced way, can even contribute to overall well-being. But in some cases, it may cause complications if not approached with proper care. Here we'll explain what science reveals about the relationship between masturbation and prostate health, and how to avoid issues that may arise when this practice isn't suited to your condition. Understanding this dynamic can help prevent discomfort and bring more peace of mind to your health routine. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss our videos on sexual health and relationships. Leave a like to support our work, and in the comments, type 1 if you found this topic interesting, or 0 if it wasn't relevant. Your feedback is crucial to improving our future content. The prostate is a small gland about the size of a walnut located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum. As the years pass, it's common for it to enlarge, a natural process known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. This growth can in some cases compress the urethra and make it difficult to pass urine, a common situation among older men. This discomfort often raises questions about the impact of masturbation on prostate health, especially for those already facing issues in that region. Masturbation, also known as self-stimulation, is a common practice that in its healthy form can offer significant benefits, especially for men in their mature years. This practice not only promotes a healthy relationship with one's body, but also helps relieve daily tension, reducing anxiety and boosting mood. During this process, the body releases hormones like endorphin and dopamine, which bring a sense of well-being and relaxation while alleviating stress for men in their senior years. This practice takes on even greater importance by fostering a closer connection with themselves, helping to reduce loneliness, and providing moments of positive introspection. This self-care can fend off feelings of sadness, promoting a lighter outlook on life, even without the presence of a partner, to support you in achieving a fuller and more satisfying sexual life. I'm offering the digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60. In this book, you'll find practical and inspiring guidance to strengthen relationships, overcome emotional and physical challenges, and rekindle passion and connection in marriage. Get your copy by accessing the first pinned comment. But take note, copies are limited. Take this opportunity to transform your love life and emotional well-being. The practice of self-stimulation has been the subject of numerous studies which affirm its multiple health benefits, especially for people in their senior years. Among its positive effects, we see improved self-esteem and encouragement of a healthy relationship with one's sexuality. For men, this practice is even more significant as it stimulates blood circulation in the genital area, which is essential for reproductive health. The constant flow of blood to the genital tissues enhances oxygenation, crucial for preventing health problems associated with aging, such as vessel hardening and loss of elasticity. Maintaining a balanced routine of self-stimulation helps preserve the sensitivity of sexual tissues, preventing dysfunctions like erectile difficulties, which are common in later stages of life. Regularity in this practice helps maintain physical vigor and emotional well-being. Reflecting in better quality of life studies indicate that ejaculation frequency provides additional benefits for prostate health, reducing the risk of inflammation and possible future complications. These simple measures, when practiced in balance, can make a difference in men's sexual health. Over time, a comprehensive study from a reputable university showed that men over 50 who ejaculate regularly have a significantly lower risk of developing serious prostate issues. Ejaculation helps release accumulated fluids in the gland, reducing the chances of inflammation and infections. If left untreated, these inflammations can develop into painful conditions, compromising quality of life, especially in later ages. Another study in the field of urology found that men who ejaculate 2 to 3 times a week report fewer urinary difficulties, especially those associated with the natural enlargement of the prostate with age. This preventive practice relieves gland pressure and helps expel accumulated substances, reducing urinary discomfort. Thus, self-stimulation and ejaculation frequency stand out as accessible strategies for preserving male well-being and sexual health. However, it's essential to understand that while masturbation can contribute to prostate health, it doesn't replace other important care practices. Ideal prostate health requires a holistic approach, including habits such as a balanced diet, weight management, and exercises specific to the pelvic region. Like Kegel exercises, these combined actions can contribute to better quality of life and preservation of health over time, promoting healthy aging. Each person has unique needs regarding prostate health, and necessary care can vary greatly for men dealing with more severe conditions such as prostate cancer or intense inflammation. Self-stimulation might not be ideal in the case of cancer. For instance, prostate tissues and surrounding areas tend to be more sensitive due to treatment, and self-stimulation might cause discomfort or even pain in this delicate phase. Support from a specialized professional is essential to find safe ways to maintain a sexual life without jeopardizing treatment or the recovery process. For many men, anxiety and concern about the impact of masturbation on health are common, especially when there's already a history of prostate issues. This concern is understandable, and seeking information can help reduce fears and insecurities. Experts recommend that self-stimulation be seen as a self-care practice, free from judgment or taboos. This attitude contributes to a more harmonious relationship with one's sexuality, recognizing it as an important part of well-being and emotional balance. Openly discussing this with a doctor can be extremely beneficial. This dialogue allows for specific doubts to be clarified, practical advice to be given, and safe alternatives to be found to maintain an active and healthy sexual life without compromising treatment or comfort. In general, masturbation can bring benefits to men over 50, including those with prostate issues, as long as they're not in specific treatments that contraindicate this. Practice, moderate sexual activity can be positive for mental and physical health, helping reduce stress, promoting endorphin release, and at the same time stimulating a healthy reconnection with the body. For many men, this practice also contributes to improved blood circulation in the pelvic region, which can benefit prostate health. Remember that every individual has unique needs. Openly talking with doctors and sexual health specialists is essential to receive personalized and safe advice. Sexual life holds important value in all stages, and taking good care of this aspect contributes to well-being and self-esteem, strengthening the bond with one's body and promoting better quality of life. I hope this video has clarified the relationship between masturbation and prostate health, especially for those facing prostatitis or other prostate conditions. If you have experienced something related to this topic or have specific questions, share them in the comments. Your participation is valuable for enriching our community. If this content was helpful for you, leave a like. This helps us reach more people who could benefit from this information. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might be interested in the subject, and to keep receiving content on sexual health and relationships, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Thank you for following us this far. Taking care of health is an act of self-love, and we're together on this journey. See you in the next video.